Have you ever had a great idea but couldn't explain it clearly? Your word feels mixed up and people don't understand you. Frustrating, right? The good news, learning this is simple. With a few easy tips, you will improve your writing and speaking in no time. Let's get started. Oh wait, if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon for never miss an update. First of all, understanding basic sentence structure. Understanding basic sentence structure. A sentence in English usually follow this pattern: SVO, SVO, subject, verb, object. The person or thing performing the action is subject. The action or state of being is verb, and the receiver of the action is object. For example, they play football. They play football. They is subject, play is verb, and football is object. Here another example is John plays football. John plays football. Notice here that add s with verb, with play. Why? Because when we found subject third person singular number, then we use s with verb. Okay, so John plays football. Play plus s, plays. John plays football. Okay, and next, types of sentences. Using different types of sentences in your daily life conversation, and it can be make your sound more clearer and more engaging. There are so many types of sentences in English, such as declarative. Declarative states a fact. For example, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. It shows that there is no cloud in the sky, so the sun is shining. And another example is the earth is warming. The earth is warming. It's a really bad news for us, right? And next, interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Ask a question. Ask a question. For example, where do you live? Where do you live? And there are so many rules for ask a question in English. And if you want to learn how to ask a question in English, you can watch this video. Okay. And next, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives a command. Gives a command. For example, close the door. Close the door. It's not polite, right? And you are a gentleman, so you have to some politeness in your speech, right? So you might say, please close the door. Add please in your speech. Okay, please open the door. Please shut the door. Okay, and next, exclamatory sentence shows a strong emotion. For example, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. The earth is warming so fast. The earth is warming so fast. And next, correct word order. English follows a specific word order. Placing words incorrectly can make sentences unclear. For example, eat John an apple. Eat John an apple. It sounds unclear, right? Unmeaningful, right? The correct will be John eat an apple. John eat an apple. SVO. John subject, eat verb, an apple object. John eat an apple. They football play. They football play. Sound unclear, right? The correct will be they play football. They play football. And you have to follow these rules. Okay. And next, using the right tenses. Verb tenses indicate when an action happens. And if you want to learn how to use them correctly, you can use this my video. Okay. And next, adding details with adverbs and adjectives. They make your sound more informative and interesting. Adverbs modify the verb and adjectives modify the noun. For example, she bought a dress. She bought a dress. It's a basic sentence. And now let's add an adjective in this sentence. She bought a beautiful dress. She bought a beautiful dress. beautiful is a adjective and it modifies the dress. The dress is beautiful, right? Wonderful, nice. Okay, and another example is she runs. She runs. Everyone can run. What happens? She runs. No, it's a basic sentence. And now let's add an adverb in this sentence. She runs quickly. She runs quickly. She is different with another person, right? Because she runs quickly, fastly. Okay, so if you want to make your sound more natural and like a native speaker, you have to learn how to use them adverb and adjectives in English. Okay, you have to learn, must learn. Okay, and next, practice for improvement. Practice for improvement. Try making sentences using these rules. For example, she reads. She reads. It's a basic sentence. Let's make this sentence so longer. For example, she reads a book. She reads a book every morning. She reads a book every morning in the park. She reads a book every morning in the park. Sounds more informative, right? So you have to learn this and you have to practice more and more if you want to speak like a pro, like a native English speaker. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon and like, comment, share. See ya in the next video.